All right, today is the big day picking up the Tesla Model 3. We are at the Tesla dealership, surrounded by a whole bunch of cars, aka Tesla. Let's see what it looks like over here. Look at all these Tesla cars. Don't you want one? It looks amazing. Let's walk inside the dealership. It says new vehicle pickup. Let's see, what are they talking about? New vehicle pickup. Walking inside Tesla. And we are in the dealership. Let's go look at the Cybertruck. Righty. Here go your Cybertruck right here. Looking good. We got a nice looking Tesla, some rims right here. Looks good. $7,500 rebate. All right. Hello. I have an appointment. Who do I talk with?
For pickup?
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations. You want some water?
Huh?
Water?
What was the question?
You want some water?
Oh, water. Yeah, that'll be nice. I'll take some water.
See, he's gonna get you checked in right here.
Okay. How you doing? Yes, sir. I'm here for a pickup. Yes, sir. Ready? All right, now I gotta find my car out here somewhere. Let's go find my car. They said it's parked out here between some red flags. Oh, over there somewhere. So we will go over here and find the car. My name's supposed to be in there, so we'll see how that goes. And I think after that they say I can drive off and go take my car. My name is on there. Let's see what we got here. Oh shit, it says Kurt. Woo. All right. So we here. And I think this is my car. My name is on there. All right. So we're good to go. All right, let's do a walk around, make sure everything looks good on this Tesla before we take it out the Tesla parking lot, because they say everything got to look good, because if it don't look good, that can be a problem. So we want to check everything, make sure everything is good. We want to make sure that everything looks good in this car. I don't know. Let's see. I don't see nothing wrong yet, but we got to do some major inspections. They said to check under the front, make sure there's no scratches. Make sure we good. It looks good. There's like 5,000 things you gotta check. I don't know. What's happening?
You okay over there?
I think I'll be okay.
Love or what?
If worse gonna worse, I'll get me an Uber home.
Sure? Battery ain't gonna die, right? You got no charge?
We got 85%. That should last us about 3 days.
Yeah, okay. It's gonna take you 3 more days to charge.
Well, at this rate, it might be longer than that. But
Your daughter said you should follow more.
okay, tell her I'm working on that.
I'm gonna talk to you later.
All right, go get some sleep. I need some tint. All right. All right. Now we have to pair my phone. And also we have to figure out how to work the radio in this thing. Let's see. The controls. Oh, right. The display. We need to pair the phone. Let's connect. Let's see if this is gonna work while I record. Oh, this is not gonna work. So I need to stop recording for this to happen.